the city's shadows, where secrets are buried and fortunes are stolen, a plan is set in motion.
I've gathered the best. Experts in deception, precision, and speed.
Breaking into their systems will be a breeze.
Getting past security is my specialty, and I know every move they'll make.
This is not just a heist, it's an art. 2 kilometers from the Spain Centaurus building, at the main branch of Santander Bank, we shall execute our grand heist.
In a world of shadows, where trust is a rare currency.
We're not criminals. We're reclaiming what's been stolen from us.
Where the heist is just the